Hey guys, welcome to this video. We're going to go over a quick limits question. It's fairly simple to do. It's a limit as x approaches 0 all over times 1 over 3 plus x minus 1 over 3 all over x. Fairly easy to do. We're just going to do a little factoring to get rid of the fractions in the numerator. We're going to separate the denominator, cancel a few things out, and we will get to the bottom of this question. Because if we solve this as is, we get a real number at the top and a 0 at the bottom, which is undefined. So we can't just plug in, we substitute the variable in. We have to actually do a little factoring, do a little conjugations, factoring, and see what, not conjugation, we're going to actually do factoring and then play around with the fraction systems, and we'll see where things arrive towards. The first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be separating out the numerator and the denominator as separate multiples of fractions. So it's going to be limit of x approaches 0 of 1 plus 3 plus x minus 1 over 3 divided by x. So you can see this is x at the division here, so that's why we're dividing by x. And then we're going to say, then we're going to combine the numerators into the denominators, the denominators together, so we can have one single number here. So it's going to be limit x approaches 0 of, we're going to combine the denominators, so it's going to be 3 times 3 plus x at the bottom. And we're going to multiply 3 to this numerator here and 3 plus x to this numerator here. So we get 3 minus 3 plus x. And we still have a, and then we're going to change this divide sign into a multiple sign. So it's going to be times 1 over x. Limit of x approaches 0. And then at the top here, we have 3 minus x, if we expand it out. And then we have 3 multiplied by 3 plus x. We're just going to leave that there. And once again multiplied by 1 over x. This becomes limit of x approaches 0 is equal to 3 is cancelled out. We got minus x all over 3 times 3 plus x times 1 over x. And then the x is cancelled out. This becomes 1. This becomes just 1. And then we have limit of x approaches 0 all over minus 1 over 3 times 3 plus x. And now we can't plug the x in to the 0 because now we have a denominator that doesn't equal 0. When we plug 0 in, we have minus 1 over 3 times 3 plus 0. This is equal to 1 is 1 times divided by 3 times 3, which becomes negative 1 over 9. And that is our final answer.